So hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this green and pink Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. If you want something fun, cute, girly and festive and not boring for Valentine's Day, stay tuned for this makeup tutorial. I'm going in my eyebrow with the Maybelline Super Lock brow glue. This is actually amazing. This actually holds your brows in place, and I'm using the clear one, but when I don't have time to use a brow pencil, I use the tinted one. Now I'm going to use my Huda concealer to prime my eyes. I'm setting it with some Sephora Micro Smooth powder, so when I put on my eyeshadows they don't stick. So I'm going in, since it's Black History Month, I'm going in with the Jamrock Universal Eyeshadow Palette, and this is Makeup by Yolanda. This is actually a Jamaican owned, black owned brand. First color I'm gonna go in with is this pink color right here. And I'm just putting this pink in my crease because this is going to be my transition shade. I've been following some makeup girlies on TikTok and I've been so inspired lately. Everybody's getting into 2016 makeup, colorful makeup again, which I can appreciate a lot. That's when I truly got into makeup and beauty and all that stuff. I like how makeup is getting fun again. Now I'm gonna use a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with Rider, and this one, it's kind of like a reddish, not reddish, it's burgundy color. I'm just gonna pack it on my outer lid. And I'm gonna pack it tightly into my crease. I'm trying to make sure that I don't use too many colors, so if you are a beginner, it's gonna be easy for you to achieve this look because I'm not using 50 million eyeshadows, and you can still have fun and enjoy the look. I go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and this is Vietnam Red. I'm trying to deepen up my eyes a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with Tropical, and it's this green color. And I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, but I feel like everybody's just gonna do like a pinky, boring makeup look. Didn't want to be a part of the boring gang. That's it for the eyes. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, I think it's giving what I needed to give. Alright, I'm just going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. For foundation, I'm going to mix my Milk Hydro Grip in number 10 and my Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint in 14. The Ease Drop is a little bit too light for me, and then the Hydro Grip is too dark. So I'm gonna mix both of them and see what we get. Like that. I'm trying to hurry up before my daughter wakes up. She'll give me about an hour of like time to do anything. She is officially 4 weeks old. She is a month old this week, and I'm super excited. We made it to a month postpartum. Now I'm gonna go in with graham cracker and praline, and this is my Huda Beauty concealer. And if you guys realize, I never highlight my chin because my face, I have a kind of long face already, so highlighting my chin is just gonna make my face longer. But if you have a more rounded face, I would definitely suggest that you highlight your chin. I'm gonna leave that, let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cameo Hydrating Concealer, and I'm gonna use this as my bronzer. I love it. Bronzy look. Go in with my foundation brush just to blend it out. Now I'm going to do my concealer. We're gonna use Rose Latte, and that's from Fenty Beauty, and that's gonna be my cream blush. I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush again and go in with my Microsoft powder to set my under eye. I'm gonna set this blush right here, and I'm gonna use Worth, and this is from Rare Beauty. I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place Bronzed in Tan, and I'm gonna set all the fat. First thing I'm gonna do is go in with the pink shade. Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna go in with the red color, and I'm gonna try to put this more in my tight line if I can find a damn brush that's small enough. And I'm more gonna like tight line with this color. What I mean by tight line is I'm putting this color as close to my lash line as possible. I'm gonna go in with this Just for Reds. This is actually an eyebrow pencil. I like using it on my lips. Transition shade. Now I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty, and this is in Rich Brown. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty, and this is in Raja. This is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. It's a very neutral, lipstick, and I feel like this goes well with every skin tone because it's not too nude and it doesn't have a white base. Now for lip gloss, I don't know if I should use just my Fenty Gloss Bomb or I should use this L'Oreal. I'm gonna go with Old Faithful because if I mess up my lip, I'm gonna be so mad. So and next I'm gonna go in with Fenty Mascara. I would set my face now, but you see, because I'm really not gonna wait, I'm just doing this video for YouTube. I'm not gonna set, I'm just gonna oh, this was done in 30 minutes and 22 seconds. Your girl still got it. Your girl is gonna go fix her hair, change her top, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.